Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have a super cool Pac-Man transition for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Couple things before we get into this video. Going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. This video is also sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. And finally, I am very ill, so if you hear me mouth breathing, sorry, but I can't breathe through my nose right now. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into your basic trapeze like so. And then from that trapeze, you're just going to put your thumb into the string like that. From here, you can pinch with your middle finger and pointer finger and just sort of lift the yo-yo up, and then you can just sort of push the yo-yo into this string. Now you won't need to actually like put the yo-yo in, because as you can see, when this string presses up against the yo-yo, just sort of rolls in. But once you're here, you're just going to land on this top string like that, and you should be in a green triangle which pops from the front. From here, you're then going to put your thumb into this big loop like so, and just underpass, letting the yo-yo go down. From here, you're just going to roll the yo-yo over, going over your index finger like so. Right, so that's just bang. From here, you're going to hit this like little X like so, and then at the same time, bounce the yo-yo onto the back. Right, kind of like that sub-mount part, but instead like that, and then dropping this thumb, bang. Now that should form the Pac-Man, so you could just drop that and then bind.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet, and I'm not Shyamalan story.
From here, basically what you do is you drop your thumb, right, and then unroll, right, and then as you re-unroll, you're going to put this loop over your hand. And what that will allow you to do is do a little hop, bringing this like loop from there to there, and that should put you in a green triangle which pops from the front, and then you can bind, and that's a nice little ending.
Split personality.
Anyway, yeah, that is the whole trick, so I'll go over it one more time for you. So trapeze, chopsticks, reject in, place in, thumb, index finger, pop up, hit, and then there is the Pac-Man, drop, bounce, unroll, green triangle, and then bind. And yeah, that's the whole trick. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, like, subscribe, and peace.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet, and I'm not Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance.